With AI tools becoming more powerful and accessible, creating your own comic books no longer requires advanced drawing skills. All you need is AI to generate the stories, characters, and comic scenes you imagine. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own comic book using ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt template I provided in the description into the chat box, then press Enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate 5 creative comic book ideas for you. Next, choose the idea you like the most, and ChatGPT will generate the matching character prompts and scene image prompts based on your selection. Great, now all the prompts we need are ready. Step 2. Download Edimakor. For the next steps, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Step 3. Generate comic character images. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Image, Image Generator, Text to Image. Edimakor integrates multiple advanced AI image generation models. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Nano Banana Pro AI model to create all the images. Next, return to ChatGPT, copy the character image prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Set the resolution and aspect ratio, choose 2 images for the output quantity, and click Generate. Use the generated character image as the main reference image. This will help maintain character consistency throughout all the comic scenes. Step 4. Generate comic scene images. Now use the character image you just created as a reference. Return to ChatGPT, copy the first scene image prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then click Generate. Repeat the same process for the remaining scenes until all your comic panels are created. With just a few simple steps, you can quickly generate a complete comic book with consistent characters and stunning visual scenes. Isn't that amazing? Download Edimakor today and start creating your own AI-powered comic books.